Alright, what I wanted to do today was just give you a little tutorial on what it's going to take to change your Word program so that we're not creating these question marks within our comments. Basically, the question marks got created on the proofing side of things every time we use stuff, auto-format special characters like quotes. What else? We had hyphens in there. We had a bunch of different things that we would type in, exponents, first, second, those kinds of things. And what it was doing was causing a problem within Campus Cafe and creating question marks on spots where we were using auto-formatting. So what you see in front of you is Word 2007. I know some of you have Word 2010 as well. I will let you know and cover what we're going to do with 2010. A little bit different, but once you get to the dialog box, you'll see what I mean. So here's Word 2007. I am going to go up to the Office button, and I am going to come down to the bottom right corner of the box where it says Word Options. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see here some options panels. I'm going to click on Proofing. This panel is exactly the way it looks in Word 2010 as well, so you can follow along if you got 2010 here too. So I've got Proofing. I'm going to go click on Autocorrect Options, and if I go into Auto Format, you will see all of these replace functions that are here. Yours will probably be all checked on. Okay, and this is what I need you to do. I need you to check off on all of these pieces so they're all empty. So basically, in essence, what you're doing is getting rid of all of the auto-formatting smart pieces that are causing the question mark problems. So once I've got that done, I just go ahead and I click OK, and I click OK, and now I can write my comment. Jimmy has done well in this first quarter. And if I want to throw quotes in, his instructor has said that he is great. End quote. So I got a couple of things in here originally that would cause Campus Cafe to have a problem. The first would be an issue. These quotes would be an issue. If you put a hyphen in, it would be an issue. But you'll notice the smart quotes aren't happening. And smart quotes are basically when you put in a left quote, it looks different than when you put in a right quote. And you'll see on this one, they look both exactly the same. So we're good to go. The first didn't shrink, which is, again, that special formatting piece. So here's the comments. So go ahead and type my comments, and I'm good to go. I would tell you 80% of the time, you could highlight this and copy and paste this into the Campus Cafe box. But I'm also going to show you the second step, too, in terms of being able to save this as a text file, which is just another good step that you can use to be able to paste into the comment boxes. I know the proofers will be very ecstatic to be able to get this problem solved. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to save this. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to say Save As. And I'm going to come down here in the Save As Type box. Normally it would say Word, either 97 2003 document or a template or whatever. But the option that you want to pick is the plain text option. You go in here. I called it Comments 12 earlier. I'll keep it Comments, I don't know, we'll say Comments _ Spring, something like that. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. I will show you what the icon looks like in a quick second. So I click Save, and it'll give you this dialog box, again, asking you a question. Nothing you need to change here. Just go ahead and click OK. And we've gone ahead and saved it. Let me minimize Word here. Drop Word 2007. What you see behind you is a screen capture of the Word 2010 program. And how you get to the options box is now in the File menu on the 2010. And you go down to the options bar right here. Click on that, and it'll come up with the same panel that I had in terms of getting to the auto formatting. What you see in the middle of the screen now is my Comments 2012. I've got my other one that I just saved too. You'll notice these icons are a little bit different. They don't look like your general Word document icons. Typically a Word document icon has a W on it. This one is just a plain text field. So I want to go ahead, let's say I want to go ahead and start copying and pasting. I'm going to open up these text fields or these text files with either Notepad or WordPad. And there's the Notepad. Then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and highlight. You've got copy and paste. I can go up to edit, or I can hit Control C, which will copy, and then Control V, which will paste into Campus Cafe. Hopefully that gives you a good little, good couple of pieces of information. Again, I want to say it again. You can go ahead and turn your auto formatting back on into Word once you're done, And on behalf of the proofers and everybody else who looks at the finished product of your comments, I'm going to say thank you for stepping through this process.